Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up comparing fixed index annuities with SmartAsset, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the SmartAsset website. Locate the fixed index annuities section on the home page. Click on the option to compare fixed index annuities. Input your personal information in the provided fields. This may include your age, state of residence, and investment goals. Review the options available based on your input. Select any specific features you're interested in, such as income guarantees or growth potential. Click on the Search or Compare button to generate results. Examine the list of fixed index annuities presented. Take note of key details such as fees, potential returns, and surrender charges. Use the comparison tool to analyze the different products side by side. Click on any annuity option for more in-depth information. Read through the product summaries and guarantees offered. Make sure to review the financial strength ratings of the insurance companies. Consider reaching out to a financial advisor for personalized advice. Take your time to understand each product before making a decision. Once you've gathered enough information, prepare to make your choice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.